morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to Danny's Detours, where we talk about anything and everything life related. Consciousness is our canvas. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm out with the two gruesome twosome mandingos. You already know the score. Bonnie and Clyde. Paddy and Willow. I'm just going to call them Bonnie and Clyde then, yeah. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Absolutely fantastic to have you out and about again. I'm just down by a local nature reserve in the Lancashire area called Brockholes, and I'm just doing a little bit of a walk and talk and a little bit of ASMR stuff, but yeah, but most of all I wanted to talk about the courage to start new. So yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys, and I tell you what, it's an absolutely Baltic one this morning. But like I say, we just love getting out in nature, having our little walks with Paddy and Willow, and you know, talking about anything and everything life related. But yeah, welcome back to the channel. To all the new subscribers, 360, guys, that's absolutely amazing. If you have subscribed to the channel, liked, commented, thank you so much. If you haven't, I do invite you to do so, because it does help my channel grow. But yeah, we're just out and about, and it's an absolutely fantastic day today. They're painting the sky this morning as well, guys. They're painting an absolute Picasso up there for us. How kind of them, eh? But anyway, we're not bothered about that. Yeah, so today I wanted to talk about the courage of starting again. What do I mean by that? Well, obviously I had to show a lot of courage in me starting my new channel, you know, because obviously 8 months ago is when I started this journey. And did I have a lot of fears? Yeah, of course I did. Was there a lot of uncertainty and doubt? Yes, most definitely. But you know, like, sometimes in life we have to start again, don't we? Or there's something inside us that just tells us this can't be it. Because many a times where I've worked jobs in the past, you know, I've had careers, I've had certain different jobs, and you know, I always felt as though it just wasn't for me. Do you know what I mean? But kind of like just, you know, taking a step back, assessing things and thinking to myself, well, what do I really want out of life? You know, and I always thought to myself, well, I always wanted to give something like this a go, because it gives me the opportunity to express myself, be my true authentic self. But not only that, you know, gives me an opportunity just to do something that I love, which is getting out in nature, which is talking. Because you guys know I love talking. But yeah, and so just anyone out there that's, you know, thinking about starting something new, making a change, you know, even if it starts something as small as setting out half an hour of your day at the end of your day, if you're working all day, just to start something new, then, you know, like, that is literally all it takes. Because small incremental wins on a daily basis build up to monumental wins over time. And it just starts by making them positive affirmations and just, you know, setting out goals and just saying, like, sitting down with yourself, you know, in the silence, and saying to yourself, what do I truly really want out of life? And once you ask yourself these questions, guys, that's when everything starts to make sense. But yeah, we're just gonna have a little bit of a wander up here, and we'll carry on with our chat. But we'll see you in a bit. We'll catch you in a bit, because my hands are absolutely, if I've not brought my gloves and my fingers are dropping off. So I'll catch you soon. I don't know if you can see it up there, guys, but there's a deer. I've literally just spotted a deer down there. Look, you can see it moving. Wow, there's two of them, and there's a young one as well. Wow, that's amazing. I've literally just spotted it. I don't know if you can make it out in the distance. Wow, literally just as I was coming down there then, guys, I just spotted a deer and it was right in front of me. But I didn't manage to get the shot. But I don't, well, I've just literally got the shot of it then before. But wow, that's amazing. Fantastic. timed that to perfection really, but I just literally, as I was getting my camera out of pocket, it ran through the gates up there. Wow. Wow, that was absolutely amazing, that, guys. Literally, I just went on to the other side then, just to see if we could spot them, but can't believe that, because literally, right at first, the deer was just literally just stood there looking at me. But the minute that I went to go grab my camera and pull it out, probably a bit of a walk down here. The minute I went to go grab the camera and pull it out, it just darted off. But I don't know if you can see, I did get some other shots of it, and it was a young mother with a mother with its young. So yeah, but we're gonna have a little bit of a walk down here, and we'll give you a few shots of it just up in this bit. This is called the lookout. Lookout, eh? So we'll have a walk around this way. But yeah, it just goes to show, doesn't it? Like, you know, when you're paying attention, you're conscious, you get to spot things like that. Was it a sign from the universe? Who knows? But maybe. But anyway, back to what I was saying before. You know, like literally, like having the courage just to start again. Because many a times in my life, I've had to start again. You know, and I believe it's all been for a certain reason. Because we've got to go through the ups and downs, haven't we, guys? We've got to go through the trials, the tribulations, in order to find something that we truly enjoy in life. Because we wasn't put here to go to work in a box in a factory, or even some of these people out there, right, who are earning like 200 grand a year or whatever. None of them are happy. And listen, it's not even all about money as well. It's about doing something that you enjoy, that you have a passion for. Because one day, guys, right, you're gonna die, yeah? You can't control that. Your soul doesn't die, but your body does. So why would you not take a chance? Why would you not think to yourself, well, wait a minute, I've nothing to lose? And there was my exact thoughts when I first started this channel. You know, I had to gain the courage over time. You know, I always look back to the first day doing my first video. I was shitting myself, but I thought, you know what? Why? Fear is just something that it only exists within your own mind if you choose to allow it to do so. So, you know, choose you. And don't worry about what other people think. Just focus on yourself, and that's when you will start to get better. Choosing yourself is most important, and choosing courage as well. But there is nothing to fear, guys. There's only literally your consciousness, and your consciousness dictates everything. So don't live your life in fear. You know, stop looking towards the media. All it merely is a pantomime to distract you from who you really are, and they don't want you to know how powerful you are. So choose courage. That project that you want to start, that business, that partner that you want to ask out on a date, whatever that may be, start by choosing courage. Because fear only exists if you choose to allow it to do so. But yeah, I tell you what, guys, it's an absolutely fantastic day. My hands feel like they're going to drop off, but just look at them views there though. Look at that. And I'm absolutely over the moon that I managed to spot that deer. You know, because I'm just gutted, because literally it just stopped and it looked at me like that, and I was like, no. And then the minute I went to go grab my camera, it ran off. But you will see on some of the other pictures Like you can see it in the distance if it's young, if you really look on the video. But yeah, we're just heading our way up here now to just further up here, just on this trail. It's also known as the Gill Wheel as well, this. Look at that, the sun's just starting to come up. I mean, does it get any better than that, really? I don't think it does it? I was talking about this on some of my other videos, that low sun, when it comes in, make sure that you get your light cords. Literally just looking at the sun like that. Best time of year to do this as well, because it doesn't really finger your eyes as much. But yeah, we're just gonna head up on this way and we'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, we're just down by the river now, guys. Tell you what, that sun's coming out. Just look how low it is though. You know, Paddy and Willow are having an absolutely fantastic time. They say not to let your dogs off lead, but to be fair, they're alright, them two. You don't really go for, you know, they're quite well trained. Sometimes they are anyway, but yeah, anyway, what an absolutely cracker of a day it is. You know, it's just so important just to take time out for yourself when you can. You know, I'm just very, very fortunate that I can make a full good go of this channel. But yeah, I noticed that the spraying us quite a bit today, guys, but listen, that doesn't matter, because everything's designed to try and suppress you, to put you in a fear state. They don't want you knowing that you're an infinite, limitless, powerful beam of light, which is just commandeering a meat suit. That's literally all it is. Your body is the vehicle, which is actual, you know, advanced technology. But we've been taught so many things now, like even the food we eat, the education system, all of it, we've been literally told it's complete lies. You know, everything's done to suppress us. Even like when you look at, say, some of the supermarkets now, they even put it on the back of the packaging, which most people don't look at and check, bioengineered foods. So you go to like Aldi's and Lidl's and places like that, and literally everything is bioengineered. So they're literally poisoning people because they're trying to suppress you, because they don't want you working at a high level. They don't want your pineal gland being open. They don't want you operating from a place of intuition. You know, they told us that magic was fake. It's not. It literally is not, guys. But I see magic every single day in my life now. All you need to do is merely just look. Come away from all the distractions. Remove yourself away from the negative, toxic people. And that is literally when you start to see magic on a daily basis. How we doing, guys? Paddy and Willow are absolutely loving this walk. Absolutely loving it. But yeah, you know, don't get caught up too much in your own thoughts. But you are not always the owner of your thoughts. You know, like, you've got to become an observer. And if you're in a place where you feel as though you're starting to go down a slippery path, or you feel as though, you know, life's getting the better of you, it is not. You merely just need to take a deep breath, step back and say to yourself, I'm exactly where I am. I am exactly where I need to be at this moment in my life. But it all starts from making small changes on a daily basis. Because when you start to make these small incremental changes, guys, everything starts to shift. You know, cut out the bullshit, the negativity, the toxic friends, the bad diet, you know, cut out the pornography. All these things are not here to help you. They are here to give you what you call instant gratification. And once you start to remove all the distractions, this is when your life starts to change for the better. But it all starts from you making that conscious change as well as effort. Paddy, what's this? Paddy's not so sure about that, are you? Right, we're heading off back to the car now, guys. I'll tell you what, it's been an absolutely fantastic walk today down at the Brockholes Nature Reserve. I'll leave a link to the location in the video description, but I think we're going to leave it at that. We're going to start walking back because I can't feel my hands. So, but yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. Like I say, to everyone who does like, comment and subscribe to the channel, thank you so much. If you haven't done, please make sure that you do so, because it does help my channel grow. Also, leave a comment. Have you been to Brockholes before? You know, is there any nice nature places in your area? You know, just leave a comment, and I always reply to them. But yeah, and also I'm going to leave a link to if you want to buy me a coffee. You know, you don't have to, but if you do, I greatly appreciate it. And also there's a donation link as well if you want to donate to the channel, because obviously it enables me to make better content. But we're going to leave it at that now, guys. But for me, Paddy and Willow, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Love you loads. Peace.